Hello, dear friends, and welcome back to Levitas, your number one trusted source for weight loss, health, and wellness insights. In today's video, we will dive deep into the incredible benefits of incorporating extra virgin olive oil into your daily diet just by having 2 tablespoons per day. From heart health to weight management, we will explore why this Mediterranean staple is such a powerhouse for your general body's health. So, come on and join us as we learn about the magnificent benefits of this healthy fat. What is a tablespoon as a measurement? Let's start by defining a tablespoon. A standard tablespoon is roughly 15 milliliters, or about half a fluid ounce. This measurement is normally used for liquid ingredients like olive oil or apple cider vinegar, for example. What is olive oil? Olive oil is a fat derived from the fruit of the olive tree. It is a staple in the Mediterranean diet and is used for cooking, dressing, and even medicinal purposes. Olive oil comes in various forms, with extra virgin olive oil being the highest quality that you most certainly want in your healthy food plan on a daily basis. Why is extra virgin olive oil the best quality, and why is it important to have it on a daily basis? Extra virgin olive oil is the least processed form of olive oil, retaining the most antioxidants and healthy fats. It's cold-pressed, meaning the oil is extracted without the use of heat or chemicals, which preserves its natural health benefits. It also means that it's not mixed with other seed oils, maintaining its healthy, high-quality fat profile. What nutrients does extra virgin olive oil have? Extra virgin olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which are heart-healthy fats that help lower bad cholesterol levels, also known as LDL cholesterol. It also contains antioxidants like vitamin E and polyphenols, which combat oxidative stress and chronic inflammation in the body. What antioxidants does extra virgin olive oil have? Extra virgin olive oil is rich in antioxidants such as vitamin E and polyphenols, including hydroxytyrosol and oleuropein. These compounds help combat oxidative stress and protect cells from damage. What are the effects of extra virgin olive oil on the heart and general health? Regular consumption of extra virgin olive oil can help reduce the risk of heart disease by improving cholesterol levels and reducing inflammation. It may also support overall health by providing essential fatty acids and antioxidants that protect your cells from oxidative damage. How does extra virgin olive oil help with digestive health? Extra virgin olive oil can promote digestive health by supporting the production of bile, which aids in the digestion of dietary fats. It may also have mild laxative effects, promoting regular bowel movements. This makes extra virgin olive oil perfect for individuals that have any kind of difficulties for evacuations. So, if you're having a hard time with your evacuations, try using 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil 3 times a day for better and amazing results. How does extra virgin olive oil help with skin and hair health? The antioxidants and healthy fats in extra virgin olive oil can nourish the skin and hair, promoting hydration and protection from environmental damage. Also, by applying extra virgin olive oil topically, you may also help soothe dry skin and improve hair's shine and strength. How does extra virgin olive oil help with cancer? The antioxidants in extra virgin olive oil, particularly polyphenols, have been shown to have potential cancer-fighting properties. Consuming extra virgin olive oil may reduce the risk of certain cancers, including breast cancer. Can extra virgin olive oil help with bone health, and how? Yes. Extra virgin olive oil may support bone health by aiding calcium absorption and reducing inflammation. It contains oleuropein, a compound that can help with preserving your bone health and density. Can extra virgin olive oil help with brain health, and how? Absolutely. The monounsaturated fats and polyphenols in extra virgin olive oil have been linked to improved cognitive function and a reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Does extra virgin olive oil have antimicrobial properties? Totally. The polyphenols in extra virgin olive oil have been found to exhibit antimicrobial properties, helping to fight off certain bacteria and pathogens. Plus, at the same time, extra virgin olive oil feeds your friendly bacteria, resulting in a healthier microbiome and promoting an improved gut health for you. Can extra virgin olive oil be used as an anti-inflammatory? Extra virgin olive oil contains oleocanthal, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory effects, similar to taking ibuprofen. It can help alleviate chronic inflammation in the body. How does extra virgin olive oil help with weight management? Well, extra virgin olive oil can aid in weight management by promoting satiety, helping you feel fuller for longer, and also by promoting a healthier microbiome. The healthy fats in extra virgin olive oil also support the body's metabolism. Practical tips. When incorporating extra virgin olive oil into your diet, aim for 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. You can use it with salads or simply drink it with a glass of water. Use it as a salad dressing, drizzle it over cooked vegetables, or use it for sautéing and cooking. Pair it with high-quality grass-fed, grass-finished lean proteins for balanced, healthy meals. In conclusion, and to summarize today's video, consuming 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil daily can have a profound impact on your health. This powerful and healthy oil offers a wide range of benefits, from heart health to weight management and beyond. Its rich nutrient profile, including antioxidants and healthy fats, makes it a must-have in any healthy food plan. Extra virgin olive oil's potential to support heart health, brain function, and digestive health makes it an essential part of a balanced diet. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties contribute to its overall health benefits. Whether you use extra virgin olive oil in cooking, as a salad dressing, or as a supplement, you can experience the many advantages of this natural powerhouse. Remember to choose high-quality extra virgin olive oil for the best results. Thank you for tuning into Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to share it with your friends and family. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with today's subject. We love hearing from you. Your support is very appreciated. It helps us grow and create even content for empowering you to achieve a better body and optimal health every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients. Stay consistent with your training and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.